This is the Softy M-M16G, a small yet powerful and versatile Bluetooth speaker. Now, I've had the opportunity and the pleasure to play around with this Bluetooth speaker for over a week now, and I must say it has blown me away. Now, before we move on with the video, I would like to give a special thanks to our sponsor, Mr. Suresh from MobileZone. Mr. Suresh is a very friendly and approachable man who was kind enough to lend me this Bluetooth speaker to play around with it and to review it. He owns a shop called MobileZone, which is located in Phoenix Market City and Egmore. Now let's move on with the video. The Softy possesses a mass of 4.01 kilograms, which might sound a lot in paper, but in practice, the actual mass is negligible. You can listen to your music in the Softy in a variety of ways, where you could connect your phone to it using Bluetooth. You could stick a USB pen drive into the USB port provided. You have a micro SD card slot where you can slide in your micro SD card and music will play out of that. Or you could just simply connect the included auxiliary cable into the auxiliary port to the Softy. Now, when you buy the Softy, you will get a lot of other items and goodies in the box. You will get the Softy itself. You will get a remote to go along with it. You will get a strap in which you can hook it up to the hooks on the side of the Softy and you can carry it around. And along with that, you also get a wireless karaoke mic. Now, the power adapter is a standard 100 to 240 volt power adapter which you can get anywhere. But what is not standard is the included karaoke mic with the Softy. It has a hard plastic body and the diaphragm is made out of high quality metal. Now, it feels really sturdy, it's not too heavy, and it feels great when you sing into it. The included remote is light, small, and can fit in a normal size pocket really easily. The buttons feel really satisfying to press down on, and the rubber itself seems pretty solid and pretty durable. Now, moving on to the actual speaker itself. My first look at it awakened a little nostalgia in me, which brought me back to the 90s where boomboxes were roaming around the streets. The body is made out of hard, high quality plastic, and when you push down on the buttons on the side, they give out a really satisfying clicking noise. Now, the thing that sets this speaker apart from the others is not only the included wireless karaoke mic, but also the analog knobs which are located alongside the buttons. Now, from my use with the Softy, these knobs are completely analog and cannot be controlled by the wireless remote, which is not necessarily a bad thing, as this gives you more access and more control over the sound that's produced by this beastly speaker. The knobs that are included in the Softy are an analog volume knob, a treble knob, a bass knob, a microphone volume knob, and an echo knob. Now, the echo knob controls the echo that is produced by the karaoke mic. Now, the most useful knob here would be the volume knob, as this gives you really precise volume levels, because when you use the remote to change the volume levels, it only gives an increment of 1 and not an increment of 0.25 or 0.5, which the volume knob gives. Sadly, you cannot control the volume knob with the wireless remote, as it is completely analog. The bass and treble knob were really helpful when I wanted to fine-tune the music. I would increase the treble and decrease the bass when I wanted more clarity, and I would decrease the treble and increase the bass when I wanted more headbanging. When it comes to sound, the Softy does not disappoint. Its ability to give massive bass and incredible midtones and treble is phenomenal.
I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch now. Can't nobody tell me nothing.
The quality of the included karaoke mic is also amazing, producing no noise and giving crisp voiceovers. Overall, the Softy M-M16G is a hard and powerful Bluetooth speaker, which for the price of $7,999 is worth every single rupee. I would give this speaker a gadget score of 4 out of 5.